G'day, here's a small parcel of a few pieces of offcuts of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. What you can see sometimes is the light reflecting off the water that's on it. I'll just go in a bit closer. Use the stones there as a guide to the other pieces that are up further up from the rule. This is a mixed parcel of pieces. This piece here is a piece of Koroit, a nice band of colour across the front of it there. It's also got another band down here running through. So if you wanted to, you could possibly saw it through and get a second stone from it. There's another piece of Koroit type material. This was just randomly scooped out of the bucket from the cutter. Oops. Needs to be ground off, so you get a little face of colour through here. Piece. Nice seam of colour through there. Not so much a piece there. And a couple of pieces are just thrown in. As I said, this is randomly scooped. The deal's priced accordingly. There you go. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.